Hello everyone, next item up for sale is wiring harness for a 520 LXI. I bought this through eBay, I don't know, 2023 or 2024. I was going to use it to fix up the damaged wiring in a 681 hour 520 LXI I bought in July of 2018, which had an electrical fire. And then I got a different job and now I'm living alone in the apartment. I'm not sharing the apartment with a family member, and I'm no longer planning on fixing up my 681 hour 520 LXI. So this is the wiring harness. This is just the way it was when I got it. I don't know if there's an hour meter with this one or not. Ignition switch, safety switch. Oh, there's the hour meter. 797.6 hours on it. I'm sure if your tractor has less than that, you could swap it. Just unplug this one, but you know, I'm just going to sell all of this together. Don't remember what I paid for it on eBay 2 or 3 years ago, but I am listing on some stuff on Facebook Marketplace. I'm in Stillwater, Minnesota. 55082 is the zip code. I'm 25 miles northeast of downtown St. Paul. So eBay, on eBay I'm Mustang Boyd. On Facebook Marketplace I'm in Stillwater, Minnesota. My profile says I'm in St. Paul, Minnesota. I actually live in Stillwater, Minnesota. Also Minneapolis, Minnesota. Craigslist. I have some ads, not a lot of ads up right now. And of course, Stillwater, Minnesota. I want to run this past 3 minutes so YouTube doesn't turn this into a short. But I think I'll list this at 50 bucks. There's a lot there for 50 bucks. I'm sure if you went to a Toro dealer to buy all this stuff, oh, I don't know, are you looking at 500 or 1,000? Not even sure how many parts from this wiring harness are available anymore. But go to my Boyd Walker YouTube channel if you're not there already. And I'm putting up lots of videos of stuff I have for sale. I'm downsizing. I'm getting out of being a garden tractor collector. So I have a muffler from that 520 LXI. It's got a little opening hole in it. There's the attach-o-matic thing right there. I got a set of side panels. That's the last extra set of side panels I have to sell. But I list stuff on eBay as I have time and energy. I include my phone number in my Minneapolis, Minnesota Craigslist ads. If you find my ads on Facebook Marketplace, you can contact me through Messenger. We can exchange phone numbers, talk over the phone. I will sell direct. I'm very good at packaging items for sale. I'm known by people on Toro 5XI forums on Facebook. I've sold to several people. I'm well known on the 5XI forums. Alright, thanks for watching. See you, bye.